The EzIdentity installer is a bootable ISO image. Please create an installation DVD for the Citrix XenServer. To create the VM instance, proceed to create a new VM image and select the option of CentOS for 64-bit or 32-bit, depending on the EzIdentity installer's specification. As next steps, you will need to input advanced OS boot parameters as shown in this video guide. This demonstration instructs EzIdentity to install MySQL database. Please be careful to type in the instructions correctly and as shown in this video guide. Now you can proceed to allocate the minimum recommended hard disk storage space, and other hardware options, as demonstrated here before clicking on Finish. This will now start the installation process. You can now click on the VM image and select the Console tab menu option to view the progress. As the installation progresses, you will be expected to configure the network for the EzIdentity installation. You must be prepared with a static IP address, default gateway, and DNS server IP addresses. Please select Manual Configuration option and as shown in this video guide, proceed to set these values. Now you will be prompted to enter the password for graphical display of the installation process. Please enter password as the password in the provided prompt to proceed. As shown here, please set the host name of EzIdentity server. After setting the host name, you will be expected to configure the correct time zone, date, and time. To set the time zone, date, and time, click on Next, and follow the steps as shown in this video guide. This is an important step for correct functionality of time-based, one-time password token services. There will be no more inputs or interaction required till the server asks for a reboot. Before the prompt to reboot, the installer will consume 5 to 10 minutes on the post-installation script. Please allow the installer to run through patiently till it prompts for reboot. The reboot will conclude the EzIdentity installation.
Now you may log into EzIdentity using the default username as root, and the password as password. This login could be required for purpose of troubleshooting or system maintenance. You can change the password as required using standard commands of Linux.